عليكم, شحالكم, أخباركم, علومكم, how are you everyone? Now I'm going to Festival City to Sugar Factory with my husband and baby and kids with me. Say hi.
Hi.
What we going to do there?
Eat some ice cream.
And
drink some drinks.
okay. Inshallah, we'll try today the drinks there and ice cream. We'll have fun there. We'll see you inshallah in next shot. I'm on my way to Sugar Factory now. I'm in front of Sugar Factory now. I'll go inside and the nephew with me, my nephew, Khalid and Hamza. We'll try their juice. Hello. All of this.
This is all Sugar Factory. And they have
What they have?
They have walnuts. Sour twist.
Oh. Yalla, let us go inside. We're waiting for ice cream.
Guys,
Hi everyone, sorry.
Sugar Factory, lots of sugar. And we're waiting for the ice cream, massive.
He's my elder
We've
brother.
been waiting for the past 5 minutes. We're looking for it now. Hopefully it will arrive soon. Not melting, inshallah.
And look at my nephews how they are waiting for the ice cream. Someone is very sad.
We're looking for it. We're looking for it. That's big. I think I need to fast for the next 30 days. The biggest ice cream ever had. Let's take it home.
It's smoking.
Would you come again?
We eat half of the ice
After attacking it and the explosion we made inside it,
That shit.
we still have more than half. I don't know what we'll do with it, but what do you guess?
Takeaway.
Ice cream.
Giveaway.
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 I think I'll take it to the fridge and we'll use it for breakfast.
Hi, you are welcome. Thank you for massive ice cream. I'm leaving now, going home, back home after massive ice cream. I had fun, really I had fun. I did not even imagine that that ice cream will be that huge ice cream. Really, I enjoyed the day with my family, and now I'm going home, inshallah, back. See you, inshallah, in another video. Good night and sweet dream for everyone. Bye bye.